What is natural gas? Natural gas is a fossil energy source that formed deep beneath the Earth's surface. Natural gas contains many different compounds. The largest components of natural gas is methane, a compound with carbon and atom and four hydrogen atoms CH4. Natural gas also contains smaller amount of natural gas liquids NGLs, which are also hydrocarbon gas liquids, and hydrocarbon non-hydrocarbon gases such as carbon dioxide and water vapor. We use natural gas as a fuel and to make materials and chemicals. How did natural gas from form? Millions, 200 millions of years ago, over long periods of time, the remain plants and animals such as diatoms built up in thick layer on the Earth's surface and ocean floors, sometimes mixed with sand, silts, and calcium carbonate over time. These layers were buried under sands, silt and rocks. Pressure and heat change some of this carbon and hydrogen rich material into coal, some into oil, petroleum, some into natural gas. Petroleum and natural gas formation. Tiny marine plants and animal diet were buried under the ocean floor over time. Marine plant and animal were covered by layer of silts and sand. Over millions of years, remains there were buried and deeper. The enormous heat and pressure turned the remains to oil and natural gas. Today we drill down layer of sand and silts and rocks to reach the rock formation that contains oil and natural gas deposits. Where is natural gas found? In some places, natural gas moved into large cracks and spaces between layers of overlying rock. The natural gas found in these types of formation is sometimes called conventional natural gas. In other places, natural gas occurs in the tiny pores space within some formation of shell. Sandstone and other types of sedimentary rock, this gas, natural gas, is referred to as shale gas or light gas, and it's sometimes called unconventional natural gas. Natural gas also occurs with deposit of crude oil, and natural gas is called associated natural gas. Natural gas deposits are found on land and some of offshore and deep under ocean floor. A type of natural gas is found in coal deposit is called coalbed methane. How do we find natural gas? The search for natural gas was beginning to geologists who study the structure and process of Earth. They look at the types of geological formation, what they are like to contain natural gas deposits. Geologists often use seismic surveys on land and in the ocean to find the right place to drill natural gas and oil wells to create electricity. Seismic survey create and measure seismic waves in the earth to get information on the geology of rock formation. Seismic surveys on land may use a thumper tuck which has vibrating pad that pounds the ground to create seismic waves in the underlying rocks. Sometimes small amounts of explosives are used. Seismic survey conducts in the ocean use blasts blasts of sound that create sonic waves to explore the geology beneath under the floor ocean floor. If the results of seismic survey indicate that a site has potential for producing natural gas and exploratory exploratory well is drilled and tested. The result of the test provide information on the quality and quantity of natural gas available in the resource. Drilling natural gas wells and producing natural gas. If the